Well, it's a hot summer day in July, and it's time to make a dessert. So why not make something fresh? You've probably heard of tiramisu, which means pick me up, because it's generally made by soaking Savoiardi cookies in cafe, espresso, hence the pick me up. But I like in the summer to do an alternative to it, and that's dipping the Savoiardi in peach juice and then laying them in a pan, adding the Savoiardi dipped in the peach juice, adding to them yogurt mixed with ricotta. This is cow's milk ricotta that I just bought at the factory where the cheese is made, the caseificio, the other day. I'll mix that with a little sugar, and then I'm going to layer that mixture with peaches, which has also been dipped in the peach juice. So we're going to make tiramisu alle pesche, peach tiramisu. And the first task will be slicing the peaches. I am slicing the peaches here, and look at the scraps here. They're going to make our goats very, very happy. The goats get all the vegetable scraps. They won't get the pit. I'll throw that to the chickens, see what they can do pecking around the pit. So we slice them in like this. Nice slices. These are very ripe peaches. They're organic. I highly recommend the use of ripe peaches and organic. This same tiramisu can be made with an alternative, which is strawberries. You may want to add a few kiwi to the strawberry tiramisu. So here are our peaches. And now I'm going to get them to soak a bit in the peach juice. Just a bit. And now I'm going to soak the Savoiardi in the peach juice as well. But in the meantime, taking this to the goats. Now, I have the Savoiardi soaking in peach juice, and sometimes I use a simple vanilla cookie. It's not necessary to use Savoiardi. Also, the smaller Savoiardi called Pavesini work quite well as well. Now I am mixing yogurt and ricotta to make the cream that I'm going to spread on it. And I'm also going to add to it a couple beaten egg yolks of our organic chickens. But I need to get this a bit more moist. How much sugar? Everything in Italian cooking is QB. Quanto basta, as much as it takes. I don't know, I don't want to make it too sweet. For me, I think that's enough. You may prefer to use organic brown sugar, natural sugar. Then we've got a nice mix. Now I'm going to get 2 of our organic eggs and give them a whisk and add the egg yolks here. Have a look at these yolks. Oh, isn't that a beautiful orange? Organic eggs from our chickens. I'm not going to use the whites. Probably could, but I think I'll do just fine with the yolks. Who gets the whites? Oh, they'll be cooked up for our dog in his dog meat, our Marimano Shepherd. Give it a little whisk. Beautiful yolks. And in it goes into the cream. Yeah, 2 yolks was absolutely sufficient. Probably should be a bit sweeter. Due to the fact that I added the yolks, I'm also going to add some more yogurt. See how everything is about QB here? That should do it. Okay. Now I'm touching the Savoiardi and they're nice and soft. So I'm laying them in the dish. Like this. They're nice and soft. And then I'm going to put a few more to soak. While I add the peaches and the creamy sauce we've made. And I think that's about enough. I just used 2 packages. Let's douse it with peach juice. By the way, if you can't get peach juice, experiment. Apricot juice, mango juice. I've even used orange juice when I didn't have access to peach juice. And here we go. And now, over the creamy sauce, I'm going to add a bit of diced dark chocolate. We have some cioccolato fondente here. Dark chocolate. This is a Swiss chocolate. That'll add a nice touch to it. You can also sprinkle coconut with the chocolate if you wish. So now I'm going to slice the chocolate. Be right with you. I'm just shaving the dark chocolate now. I'm going to shave a bar. I use it all. You know, this peach tiramisu recipe is wonderful for an evening tiramisu because you may not wish to serve the traditional one in the evening with the Savoiardi soaked in lots of espresso. The peach tiramisu certainly won't keep you awake. It'll help you sleep soundly. Okay. Now we have our shaved dark chocolate. Doesn't it look nice next to this beautiful bright red of the Deruta ceramics? This maiolica, by the way, which is double-fired pottery, is not a Deruta pattern. This is from Faenza in northern Italy. Okay, sprinkle our chocolate. Why not be generous? And now we're going to add the peaches on top. I did not add sugar to the peaches because they're soaking in peach juice and the peach juice has some sugar. And I just prefer things slightly less sweet. But you know, if you wish to add a sprinkle of sugar, certainly do so. And there we are. Now we'll do our next layer of Savoiardi. The ones already soaked are much softer, of course. This little fellow is still a bit crispy. I'm going to put him in. This is nice and soft, I can see. There we go. This, by the way, this dish, let me tell you, this is a dish children love to help make. Getting their fingers into the goodness. And there we are. And just break it up as needed to fill in the bowl. Don't waste a thing. This beautiful dish is also from Deruta. Okay. Now, in we go with our creamy sauce. looks like I guessed the quantities pretty well. It's all by eye. Invent away. Best cooking, of course. Now we're going to be adding the peaches, but I also sometimes like to do a crumbly topping with amaretti. Let's get rid of our chocolate. Now, you may like to end your peach tiramisu just like this. Put it in the fridge for a few hours, or you may wish to add the crumbly topping with the amaretti, and here they are. And you can almost literally crumble them with your hands. And they're going to add a nice almondy taste to your tiramisu. So, peach tiramisu with an amaretti crumble on the top. Buon appetito!